Right, key it's the first thing you see when you get a car, because get it given it, and that's what you get. This one, seen better days. That bit's knackered. It's held together with sellotape. When I got it, this piece was in the opposite way around, so it was, the blade was at the side. It was almost impossible to use because you're having to hold this piece. So anyway, quick look online. There's several different types, but you can see the 2-button type. Several different ones. So I ordered one. And there it is. Slight difference. The good thing with these keys, you'll see it on this one easier when you see it in a minute, is that there's a little pin that you knock out and then the blade comes out, which is what I'm going to do now. And then you can put your original key, the mechanical key, into your new posh key. So it's just a case of knocking that pin out. This one will be a bit more awkward because it's sprung. So I'm not entirely sure how well it's going to go. We shall see. You can see the pin there, and that's going to want to disappear inside the whole time. So we'll get on with it and see what's what. I need to either transfer the Peugeot badge, which is, believe it or not, under there, or get a new one, but it depends. There's not many on eBay. You can buy about 100 of them for 16 quid. I only need one. So this one will be dead easy because it'll fall to bits because the tape's already split. There you go. Let's get that off, not that it needs it anyway. And what the different types of them, but this one's got the battery in the back, and there's your board with for your buttons. It should, there you go, should come out okay. Try not to drop them because they might be a bit fragile. Get the battery out from there. There you go. Right, there's all your component bits. This one I've not had apart yet, so I don't know whether it's got the battery carrier in, whether that's got to transfer over. It doesn't. There you go. Right, that's much more substantial. There you go. Right, yeah, it has got the metal spring clip in there for that. I don't think there's a chipped keys because there's nothing in there to transfer. Sometimes you have like a little, it looks a bit like that, like the edge of there, like a little black key, black chip thing. It's probably on here, that'll be it there, transponder there, that bit. So, I'll put those separately for now. Yeah, I need to get that out of there, there's a bit more room. With it taken off. It's going to be quite awkward to film. So, not ideal, but I'll just see if I can tap this through. Saves an extra pair of hands. There you go, I don't know if you can see the little tiny pin that I don't want to lose. Ironically. Little tiny pin I don't want to lose, I've just dropped. Yeah, well, I don't know where it went. It didn't bounce, it didn't fly off anywhere. So what I actually said was, don't want to lose it. And then did. Brilliant. Right, in theory that should just pull straight out of there. It'll probably be a bit tight because it's new. There you go. And the old one will be a lot easier because it's quite worn. Try it again the same way I was doing, but this one's not springy, and I'll try not to lose this pin because I'll need it. There you go, that one's gone straight out into the socket. There it is, and you can't see anything, apologies. Yeah, that's a little tiny pin there, that's what I just lost. Right, that'll only go in one way, which is that way. Okay. Right, now we're all springy again, so I need to try and get that back in. It'd be easier if there was a hole there. You could actually knock it back in with, but there isn't, so. Probably find this pin in a minute, but I've got the old one, so it's fine. This could be quite awkward if I drop this one again. Right, you get that through the pin there, get that in, should be able to squeeze it in. And you put your battery back in. If you're not sure how good they are sticking you in, but I know this one works. So we're good. And then there's a little bit for the new key, it should just clip together. Check your flip works. Make sure it's clipped properly. Anybody else spot the deliberate mistake? Oh, it's been a long day at work. Wow, what a genius. Right, don't forget when you put it back together to put your circuit board back in. So you don't put your circuit board back in, it ain't gonna work. What a numpty. Right, and again, check your flip, works fine. I'll clip together and I'll just give it a point at the car. It's over there somewhere. Don't know which one. Is that locked? That's unlocked, I think. Yeah, according to the buttons, that's right, so it's working. Cool. So there's the key finished. And I managed to transfer the Peugeot badge. It's not in the best condition, but I'm not overly worried about that. It's stuck in, it looks good, flippy works, buttons work, and yeah, one job done.